Hey there, stallions. Now that you've learned a little bit about landforms, you're going to get to create your own landforms. But there are a few things that you need. You need these little cards that show you examples of different types of landforms, and you need some Play-Doh. So if you don't have those materials, pause this video now and go and get them. Welcome back. Now what you're going to do is you're going to look at these different options of landforms. There's a beach, an island, a volcano, mountain, all kinds of choices. And you're going to pick 2 or 3 of them to use your Play-Doh to create. So as you can see, this person created an island, a mountain, a delta, and a canyon. And just pick 2 or 3, use your Play-Doh, create them, and don't forget you can refer to these picture cards to help you. And when you're done, send a video on Seesaw explaining which landforms you created. Have fun! Can't wait to see your masterpieces.